So hello, it's actually, my watch is somewhere, the neighbor's dog bit me, and yeah, and it is midnight. Today I went to Zagreb and I had an impulsive purchase. I saw this little printer and it was a bit off because the papers were used, printing papers, and I decided to buy papers as well. It was somewhat of a demo unit. Anyway, yeah, let's open it and let's see what's inside. Let's unbox it. Basically, it's like a thermal, so ZINK means like zero ink, so it's a thermal printer, I'm guessing. And in the original, it comes with originally you can print 5 photos, but this one, unfortunately, all of it has been used up. So let's take a look at the unit itself. There is nothing really to show you inside. You get a box. You get a manual, nothing really important. I already did take a look at it. Basically turn it on. It has a QR code to install the app. Unfortunately, you cannot use this thing as an air printer, and it would be so much more, I would say, awesome if that was possible. But unfortunately, it isn't. The instructions are in several languages, but nothing important. Basically, turn it on, insert the printing paper, and print. Now, I believe that there is a version of this printer that prints stickers, and I'm thinking that it's just the type of photo printer, maybe the one that's actually sticky, I guess. So let's take a look at the printer itself. Basically, there is nothing. There is a power on button, and basically that's the entire procedure. The light comes on and it's yellow, and basically that is it. So it's doing something, but there is no paper inside. So oh yeah, by the way, you do get a USB charging cable. So but as I said, there is nothing to show, and I'm not quite sure why this thing is making sounds. Oh, there is one more paper inside. Huh, go figure. I'm guessing this one is still usable. So yeah, this is the printing paper. This is 2 by 3 inches, and that's like 50 times 76 millimeters. So it's not that big. So you know what? I didn't even know that I had paper inside. I guess one remained. Okay, so let's open the printing paper and let's see what do we get. Okay, again, oh, there are actually 2 packs of 10. Let's try to install the paper and let's try to print something, and we do need to set up the application. So okay, what do you get? Okay, you get papers and you get like some smart sheet. So, smart sheet can clean the printer head and improve image quality. Okay, I guess. So, let's place this thing somewhere and let's open it and let's see. So basically, it says load paper and install the smart sheet down. Okay, we'll do that. So I'm guessing that the smart sheet is the first one that will get out, and basically that's it. All you need to do is to close, and that's it. Let's set up the app. Now, I already do have Mi Home because I actually have their air purifier, I have fountain feeder, and I have their air fryer. All of the devices are actually connected to the separate network, which is routed through a VPN. So I just don't trust any smart device, you know, on my network. Let's add the device. All you should do is tap on plus, scan, because that's kind of cool. Okay. Press the power button to complete the pairing. Press to finish pairing. Okay, I did press it. Adding. Where will I be using it? Toilet. Because why not, you know? Next. The device name is printer. Done. And next. So that's it. Privacy policy. Why do I need the privacy policy for the printer? Privacy policy. Commitment to your bullshit. What information is collected? Type of information. Information about. Get a lot of this. Their privacy policy. Information about printed files. We may collect information about printed files, including the name, size, and type of files. Why? We may collect information regarding. Basically, they collect everything. Media files. When you print an AR photo or a sound photo, we may collect a video. Okay, that makes sense. Basically, they will collect everything. So you know what? I'm gonna select a couple of photos I took, and let's try to print it, and let's see, you know, how will they look. So I have selected a couple of photos. These are all my photos, so there is nothing copyrighted. So this is my first photo, and as you can see, I actually took this photo a couple of days ago. And sorry, you know what, I'll be posting the original in my video. And I don't know, the entire sky just like seemed like black and white. So let's try to print it, and let's see how good this thing actually will be. The transfer, okay, it's already at 56% transferring, so it's not that slow. This is brand new printing paper, so it should be cool, I guess. Okay, parsing photo. Print head is warming up. Okay, and it is printing. I mean, the entire idea that this thing cannot be just used like as an air print or what, you know, kind of sucks. But to be fair, it's probably due to Apple, because they probably want money for it, so yeah. Okay, this is the probably not the... Yeah, I'm not printing the photo. Do I need to calibrate it? Read the fucking manual, right? It's actually printing the photo, so I'm guessing the initial is the scan, and now it's printing the photo. So kind of cool, okay? I thought that I screwed something up, but I obviously did not. Okay, I think we do not need this thing anymore, so let's take a look at the photo. It is a bit shitty, to be honest. And by the way, it's kind of cool, because you get the animation when the photo is printed. So you know what, I'll scan the photo, and I can tell you right away, this thing, I mean, it's cool if you want to like give it to somebody, but the quality of this thing is yeah, not that great. So you know what, I'll print out a couple of more photos, and let's see. But the animation is cool, you know. Okay, to be fair, this photo looks way better. Okay, this photo actually looks awesome. So I'm guessing that maybe dark photos are not its thing, but this one looks awesome. Okay, this one actually looks nice as well. So basically only the dark photo is does not look nice. Okay, cool. Okay, this one is nice, but yeah, the colors are a bit, you know, like, well, off. So again, I don't know, this one is a bit off as well. The animation is cool. I'm gonna give it to them because the animation is kind of cool. I mean, it is too bright, you know, and just not the quality and not the colors. Definitely not the colors. But you know, as like a cool present, I guess, or as a something, as a gimmick, I guess, it is kind of cool. And it is cool that you can actually take photos and print them and, you know, like give them like as a present to somebody. So I think it's kind of cool. I will most definitely not be throwing these photos out. So anyway, yeah, if you like this video, please click thumbs up, subscribe, you know what to do. If you did not, you know what to do as well. So yeah.